Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Fable on piano. First, let's identify the main melody and the accompanying chords. Begin by focusing on your right hand, playing the melody lines slowly and deliberately. Then, introduce your left hand, practicing the simple root position chords that provide the harmonic foundation. This foundational step is crucial for building a solid understanding of the piece before moving forward. Now, let's dive deeper into mastering the melody with your right hand. It's best to break the melody into smaller, more manageable phrases. Concentrate on achieving accurate rhythm and precise finger placement for each individual part. Start practicing at a very slow tempo to ensure every note is correct and clear. Gradually increase your speed only after you feel completely comfortable and confident with the slower pace. Next, we'll focus on the left-hand accompaniment, which provides the harmonic depth. Learn the specific chord progressions that are used throughout the entire piece. Practice making smooth and seamless transitions between each chord shape, ensuring there are no abrupt stops. It is important to maintain a steady, even rhythm with your left hand to create a consistent and supportive foundation for the melody. Finally, it's time to bring both hands together. Start by combining them very slowly, working through the piece phrase by phrase. Pay close attention to the balance, ensuring the melody stands out while the accompaniment provides gentle support. Consistent practice is key. Aim for 15 to 20 minutes each day. This dedicated effort will significantly improve your coordination and overall performance of Fable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.